I just thought I will start the well-being satsang with a welcome note to my audience, people who have shown interest already and those who may show interest later. After a lot of contemplation, thinking, destroying myself with different experiments, I have finalized on going the podcast route simply because it is far simpler to edit and compile something that would be more lively, interesting to listen to. वैसे भी मेरे चेहरे में ऐसा क्या रखा है, बातें विचार तो आवाज से ही पहुंचेगी आप तक. Time to time, as and when required or necessary, I will do a video tutorial or maybe go live for my audience. But that bridge we will cross when we reach it. For now, I am commencing the 60-day well-being satsang through this podcast, and I welcome you all on this journey with me, where I share stuff that I have learned, things that I have discovered, inferences through experiments, and for many decades. Why are we calling it a well-being satsang? Because the stuff that I will talk about pertain to not just health, but all aspects of life that influence your well-being. So is it about body, mind and spirit? Well, if you are sure that you know what body, mind and spirit is, then yeah, you could say so. But honestly, you will discover that most of us may not know much about the body, little about the mind, or nothing about the spirit. So yeah, to put it simply, this is about the body, mind and spirit. But the topics covered, the subject is so vast that I could not really seriously, honestly come up with a more generic phrase. So I am calling it the well-being satsang. Satsang because hopefully these talks, these discourses will lead you to positivity, and that is the main aim, objective of a satsang anyway. As we move along in this conversation, it is my intention that each one of us should feel lighter, as if one by one the small strings that held Gulliver down to the ground, the strings are cut and we raise ourselves to the glory that we truly deserve. So welcome to the Wellbeing Satsang. What is the significance of 60 days? Well, I just thought about 60, so it's 60. It could have been 42, it could have been 21. We've done a pranayam course for 21 days. 60 was just a thought. I liked it. So here I am with the 60-day well-being satsang.